In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Trello. It's easier than you think. If you find yourself doing repeat tasks every day, week, or month, you'll be thrilled to discover the Trello Card Repeater Power-Up, which allows you to automate those tasks and streamline your workflow. Imagine not having to remember to create a task every Monday for your weekly team meeting or a reminder to review your budget. Sounds great, right? Let's jump in and get started. First, open your internet browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you don't have a Trello account yet, you'll need to set one up, but assuming you do, just enter your email and password and log in. With that done, go ahead and click on the board where you want to set up recurring tasks. This is where all the magic happens, and you need to make sure you have the right board in front of you, ready. Now look towards the top of the board menu and locate the option labeled Power-Ups. Click on it, and this will open a sub-menu that allows you to enhance your Trello board's features. Here it gets interesting. Use the search bar to find Card Repeater, and when you spot it, click on that Add button to enable this power-up on your selected board. A quick tip: if you're using Trello's free plan, you can only enable one power-up per board, so you'll need to make sure you haven't already used your power-up option. Once the Card Repeater is enabled, open the card that you want to set as a recurring task. If you don't have one yet, create a new card. When the card is open, you'll notice a new button labeled Repeat appearing on the right-hand side. This button is your gateway to scheduling your tasks. Click it, and then down at the bottom, click on the rocket icon to access the repeat settings. Setting your preferences is simple. You'll be able to choose how often you want the card to repeat, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also choose the specific day or date and the exact time of day the card should be duplicated. And, of course, you need to decide where the repeated card will appear. Selecting the correct list and choosing its position at the top or bottom is crucial. Lastly, decide whether you want to carry over elements like checklists, labels, due dates, and even members from the original card. Once you've configured everything to your liking, hit save and you're all set. Trello will automatically generate the duplicate of your card based on the settings you just created. It's that simple. The new card appears in your chosen list at the scheduled time, while the original remains unchanged as a sort of template. There you have it, a hassle-free way to manage recurring tasks in Trello. Happy organizing!